About to go do a moto vlog, hit the trails, the enduro, and just have some fun. We have a jump that we didn't put in here, but we just not got to it yet. Dang it, why did it just die? Are we out of gas? We're out of gas, I bet. Dang it. Alright, there we go. Should that help? Okay, I just went straight through every single briar through there. It was not very fun. Ow. Got hurt by that hit with my foot. I believe we go. Yeah, I had. Yikes. Okay, what? I'm already lost. But he just made me so yet to really learn them. But no way I should already get. Oh, this way. Okay, we go down through here. We go down through here. That's it. Okay, yeah, this makes more sense. Yep, there we go. I wish we could ride in that creek right there, but I don't know if that's on our property. But we might just go ride it anyway. Alright. Alright, my hands are ain't no way we're getting stuck. Alright, we got to still fun. This is a pretty big hill too. We only got like a few trails in right now. We might even put some more in this motovlog. I don't know. Got hit by a fire, but right here. Got the river right there. That swivel bike out. Alright, here we go. Alright, first attempt did not make. Alright, didn't make it second attempt either. We're gonna try again. Bike made it, but we didn't, so didn't make it again. Okay. Well, there went my clutch again. I just snapped my clutch off. Well, that's cool, right? Because now we can't really ride unless we fight. I don't really know. We can go try to re-weld that, but I don't know if we can. Now I have no idea what we're supposed to do. Cause, well, you want maybe going like a recovery mission. Cause there's first, second. Did we lose neutral? I think we might have lost neutral. I don't really know what we're gonna do without neutral, but we'll try. Kick it. Okay. Alright. Dang it. Alright, again. Cause like neutral is like gone. Who cares? Let's hit the jump right with the adaptive clutch. See how that feels. But and we can put some new parts on it like that. I'll order. Set it. Alright, set it. Alright, the camera fell. Alright, well the camera turned off, but oh my gosh, should not be this hard. There. Alright, now that we are, I'm gonna go put this other one on. We done got this one on. So I'm gonna go. Alright, it's been a few hours later. It's starting to get dark outside. But we do got the pegs on now. I done messed up one of them. Yeah, I couldn't figure out the spring situation, so the springs are not on. It doesn't. It sits, instead of it sitting level, it sits like that, but I don't really care. We got both pegs on. Fix the clutch situation. Fix the clutch situation. And what else did we do? Oh, and then in the process, I didn't film this because I was just bringing the bike back. I was thinking about going to spray it off, but snap my shifter. But we got one coming in tomorrow, so all that should be fine. And that's going to be the end of today's video.